some Avengers Campus web tech merchandise that is now being sold in Disney California Adventure. So first things first, we have the web power band. This is priced at $29.99. This is what you need for the 2 attachments. So if you want to get either of these, make sure you grab the power band. This one has the price increase. These are $24.99. This is $29.99. It is a little bit heavier. Look at the packaging. These pieces of tech do interact with Web Slingers, the attraction. They also interact with the spider bots. Next, we have the web shooter, just the white version. There is a pink version as well. This was invented by Peter Parker. So the back of each box says who they're invented by and how they're activated and what they're used for. And then this one we have the Repulsor. And we'll go into more detail about each of the pieces of tech as we're unboxing them. For now, there's an overview. First, we have the web power band. This is created for Avengers Campus recruits. It is a reversible web power band that features energy color, 3 target projections. Pair it with the web tech attachments of your choice to unlock additional powers. So let's start unboxing this one. So here's a look at the power band on. This is the tightening, so to loosen it and then to tighten it. It does have a small Spider-Man projection. But the power band is what you use to connect the other attachments. And the switches are, let me turn. The switches are actually on this side. I can turn my arm enough. So the activation is on the top. So when you're riding the attraction, you activate it with the top switch, the middle is off, and then the bottom is on. So let's unattach this and unbox the web shooter. Next, we have the web shooter web tech attachment. This actually attaches to the power band that we just looked at. So let's take a look at this one. It was invented by Peter Parker, built with awesome new electric adhesive tech. This web shooter lets you fire electrodynamic webs like my favorite web slinger. So Peter designed this for us. Let's take a look. First, we have to unbox it. So now that we removed this one, this is a look at it. So let's connect it to the power band. First, unattach the projection from the top. This is what causes the Spider-Man projection. You take this off the power band and you slide this right on. So now that we have the web shooter on, we can go ahead and turn it on. There's also a switch on this side. It turns on, and then the web is at the top. That turns the light on. So that's a small web. Something nice to use, I guess, when you're not on the ride, so it doesn't feel like a complete waste just spending something on an attraction. Fun to play with as well. But this will help you and give you advancements in the Web Slingers attraction. And then the last tech that we're looking at is the Repulsor Web Tech attachment. This was invented by Harley Keener, inspired by my favorite mechanic. I built my own version of the Repulsor Canyon. complete with high-powered air blaster capable of levitating and training sphere. Excuse me, I meant to say cannon. But this is the last attachment. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Have the repulsor. So there's also a switch. Oh, just kidding. This one doesn't have a switch. Looks like. So let's plug it into the power band. Slide that back on. And then tighten up the band. Actually, I have this on backwards. One moment. So let's see if the repulsor can actually levitate the ball. It's pretty close. Try one more time. So it doesn't do it very well. It does for a little bit. But nonetheless, it's still a tool that you can use on web slingers. So that is the repulsor. There's one button on the front. And then connected to the power band. A look at the new tech that has arrived at Disney California Adventure, starting with the power band at $29.99, which you need to activate the two attachments. This comes with the main wrist piece and then another attachment at the top for projection. And then next we have the web shooter, which attaches on the top, and this is $24.99. And then lastly, the repulsor. So these two the attachments are $24.99. And that's a look at the tech starting at Disney California Adventure for Avengers Campus. We are so excited to use it in the actual land tomorrow. So thank you all for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for lots of Avengers Campus news to come.